So the T code is FTXP. Okay, we have to go to the T code FTXP. Press enter. Country region IN. Okay, IN. So now we have to make a tax code. What tax code should I make? I will make Alekia. Okay, AP. Alekia Padishala. AP as the tax code. Okay, press enter. Now I will give it here as input tax. Okay, input tax. Tax type we can do. This is V for input tax. Okay, like this. AP. Any random alphabets you can take. I have just taken AP. Press enter. Now, can you see SGST for input tax? SGST, CGST. Can you see input tax here? And IGST also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you see, these are account keys. Okay, account keys. What are account keys? You have to know that. Sanika, read.
Account keys in SAP FICO are one of the most important concepts in tax configuration, but they become very simple if you think of them as a labels that tell SAP which GL account to use. Imagine you are a post office worker. Every letter has a code. MUM sent to Mumbai, DEL sent to Delhi, BLR sent to Bangalore. The code tells you where the letter should go. An
Okay,
account key works the same way. It tells the SAP post this amount to this type of GL account.
okay. So account keys in SAP FICO are one of the most important concepts in tax configuration, but they become very simple if you think of them as labels that tell SAP which GL account to use. Okay. So MUM हो गया मुंबई के लिए sent to Mumbai, DL sent to Delhi, BLR sent to Bangalore. Why do we need account keys? Uh, Indumati, read.
Why do we need account keys? Suppose your company uses a different GL account for input GST, output GST, freight, discount, cash discount, excise duty. When a user posts an invoice, they should not have to manually choose all this GL account. Instead, SAP does it automatically.
Okay. Yes. So suppose your company uses different GL accounts for all these things. When a user posts an invoice, they should not have to manually choose all these GL accounts. Instead, SAP automatically does this. Okay. So account key is the link between tax calculation and correct GL account. So that is what we are going to do here. So input, let's say SGST and CGST will do. Input tax is how much percentage we took? Can you see 20%? Yes or no?
Yeah, 20%.
So we'll give SGST 10% and CGST
10%.
10%. 10%.
10%.
Okay? Yes. Press enter. Okay. Now we'll save this. And VK3, VK4. Remember VK3 and VK4 are the account keys. VK3, VK4. Save this. So tax code AP was created. Can you see? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if you go here, mm, teaching sheet. Okay. Input tax. AP created. Yes or no? AP has input tax created. Now again we'll go FTXP, same T code. Instead of AP, we will do PA. उल्टा करेंगे PA. Okay. Now we'll give here output tax. Output tax 20%. And we'll select A for output tax. Press enter. Yes. Now we'll go to output. Can you see VK5, VK6? Output SGST. We'll put 10% here and 10% here. Yes. Okay. Then same thing we did. Yes. Just now SGST output, CGST output. Before we had taken SGST input, CGST input. Yes. And then save. Clear everyone? Yes. Output tax. Output tax PA created. Yes or no? Clear everyone? यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let me just go to AP. Yes. If you see procedure is VKML. Usually India के लिए हो सकता है TAXIN, tax in. It could be, yes. But here procedure is VKML. That can change, yes, and you can go and change it also. Right now let it be VKML. All right. Now what will we do? अभी क्या करेंगे? We'll go and make a GL. How to make a GL? What is the T
FS
code?
double zero.
Very good.
FS double zero.
FS00. Yes. Now we'll go click on create. Now tell me, if I want to make input tax, where will it be? Assets, liabilities, where will it be? Revenue, where will it be? See, we are purchasing something, right? That is an asset, yes or no?
Assets. Yeah.
Yes. So we'll make, what is the next number? 4. And then company code is SN1, enter. Yes. We'll go to balance sheet account. Account group will be assets, input tax, CGST, input tax, CGST for SN1. Okay. Then INR. Then we'll do your tax category. All tax types allowed. We have to select all kind of tax types allowed so that we can see them. Posting without tax also should be ticked. Okay. Posting without tax also should be ticked. And then we'll go to create bank interest. G001. And then save. Continue. Can you see input tax CGST created? Yes. Again, input tax SGST also we have to do. Okay. Create. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. Balance sheet account again same. Input will come there only. Assets. Input tax SGST. Input tax SGST for SAN1. Yes. Control data. Tax category is All tax types allowed. Posting without tax allowed. Create bank interest. G00. And then G. Can you see input tax? Two GLs are ready. Yes or no? 1004 and 1005 for CGST and SGST. Yes, no? Input tax GL CGST. Input tax GL SGST. What is it? Clear? Yes, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we go back here, we have created input tax, output tax. Then country specific GST tax we have given. We have gone to the tax code and give it the necessary percentage. Yes. Then like 10% we gave. Then we have created two GLs also. CGST, SGST, 9% whatever, 10% whatever we are given. Yes or no? यहाँ तक clear है? Four steps are done. Now we'll go to slash n. OB 40. OB 40 we have to go now. Anybody remembers input tax के लिए account keys क्या थे? It was VK3 and VK4. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Input tax, input SGST will go VK3. Double click on it. What is the chart of accounts?
INT 8.
Correct. INT8. Press enter. We'll click on this tax code. Click on posting key. Do you want to save the data? Yes. Now. टैक्स कोड क्या था इनपुट टैक्स का एपी ये सुनो एपी आलेख्य पाठशाला will give input tax CGST no input tax CGST a CGST this one yes clear and then save it so account key के साथ we have linked the GL account with the account key VK3 chart of accounts INT8 we have linked the CGST with the tax code yes or no CGST GL account with the tax code yes no let's go back now we go to input SGST हो गया now we do oops I think I did something wrong wait SGST is VK3 okay SGST VK3 and SGST के लिए SGST okay I have to do give this for SGST okay this account okay save now okay now it's fine now I will go to CGST VK4 click here posting key save tax code again AP account now I'll do CGST press enter and then ये सुनो यहाँ तक क्लियर है Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what to do? Yes. Now we'll go to save हो गया. Again, you have to go to FS 00 SAN1. We'll go to expenses. Purchase account, we have to go. Click on edit. Purchase account. Okay. Why purchase account? Because we are going to do input tax for vendor. So that is why purchase account में जाना है. Control data we will go. And again in tax category, we'll click on all tax types allowed, posting without tax allowed, and then save. Okay, that purchase account we have to do. Then we have to go to recon account, liabilities, reconciliation account, control data. Again here also tax category, all tax types allowed, posting without tax allowed, and then save. Yes, clear? Yes, no. Slash n. You will understand why I did this. OB 57 King, tolerance group is SAN 1, enter, save. Yes. Now enter vendor invoice. Vendor invoice का टी कोड क्या है?
FP60.
Very good. FB 60. कंपनी कोड SAN1. वेंडर क्या है अपना?
4200.
अमाउंट लेट्स से 10,000. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है. Okay. Let me just see. Before this, we have to go to another T code. Okay, we have to go to OBZT. OBZT. You have to go here. Country region IN OBZT. You have to go. We'll do new entries. We'll give AP. Or relevant for AP is the tax code for input tax and save. Relevant for all transactions, and then you have to just save it, which I did. Okay, done. Now back. Now we'll go to FB60. Again, slash in FB60 SAN1 and 4200. Yes, amount is 10,000. GL account, purchase account, amount is 10,000. Calculate tax. INR. Enter. Calculate tax. Can you see AP input tax is visible now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you come here and if you see this, you are successful. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So if you see this, that means the procedure is completed. But still, we can go and see whether it takes it or not. 10,000, 20% tax. Let me click on simulate. Enter. Enter. Okay, it is not showing the 20% tax. That is fine. There is some error from some error in the background. That is fine. But if you can see, if you are able to see here, your tax, calculate tax, AP, whatever tax code you create, if you see it here, your process is completed. Okay, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now your assignment is to do input tax and also output tax. Okay? I've done everything for input tax. Your assignment is to do everything for output tax. Okay? Just do input tax first, then you can think about output tax. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
It is very important. Usually these tough topics, no, usually you will not have during the start of your career. It comes with 3 to 5 years of experience. Only then you will be able to, then only then they will give you such tasks, these complicated topics. Okay? Taxes, tax code. Okay. What is left now? Fiori apps, you have to check reporting and then controlling. These topics are left. Okay? All right. I think it is enough for today. We continue tomorrow now. Okay?